The opioid crisis is evolving in Colorado and across the nation. Major cities, including Denver, now looking to introduce safe injection sites to fight the problem. But the Justice Department says they're illegal. We are taking a closer look at this issue tonight in our 360 perspective. Safe injection sites allow people to use illegal drugs under medical supervision and with clean needles. The goal is to protect from overdoses, reduce the spread of disease, and reduce drug use. In Denver, City Council passed an ordinance 12-1 to allow an injection site. This is illegal in Colorado, so a Denver lawmaker is expected to introduce the measure at the state level within weeks. Previous bills have failed. A similar bill moving through California. In Philadelphia, there's a nonprofit called Safe House working to open a center. But this week, federal prosecutors filed suit to keep it from opening, saying it's unlawful to allow the use of any federally controlled substance. The lawsuit could set an important legal precedent. Right now, there are about 120 supervised consumption services in the world, according to drugpolicy.org. Including in Canada, Australia, and Europe, but none in the United States. Vancouver has had a safe injection site since 2003, and that's what Denver based its ordinance on. Canadian health leaders say they've had no deaths. HIV cases among users have declined by 86% since 2005 because of clean needle use. But overdose deaths have still gone up across the region outside of centers, and that's largely blamed on the rise of fentanyl. So here's what we know. Safe injection sites are used to promote safe drug use. They're used to reduce deaths for users in the centers, and they reduce the spread of disease. They do need legislative approval to be introduced in our country. Here's what we don't know: whether or not they encourage drug rehabilitation. Do they reduce drug use or enable it? We don't know if they ultimately save lives, and it's not clear if this could pass on a state level. There are already needle exchange programs in areas including Pueblo to reduce the spread of disease and litter. We'll keep tracking the pending Colorado legislation and let you know what happens with the national legal fight as well.